My name is Thiago Barbosa dos Santos, student number 1427043. Today I'm going to talk about information gathering, right? Um, as a penetration tester, you have to think as yourself as a hacker. You have to think in the same way. So the process will be um, exactly the same, right? So the first step would be the information gathering, right? Um, there's three phase, um, which is footprinting, scanning, and then enumerating, right? These three together are called reconnaissance. Um, it seeks to gather as much information as you can about the target, right? So there's a few steps to follow, which is gather the initial information. You have to see the network range. You identify the active machines. Look for open ports, fingerprint the operating system, map the network, and uncover services and ports. Right? Um, Footprinting would be an active blueprinting of the security profile of the organization. That would involve get information about the customer's network to create a unique profile of the organization's system and networks, right? It's a really important way to get information about to get, like, in a passive way, get as much information as you can without the organization knowledge, like what I'm doing here. There's a command on Linux called whois, right? My target would be like a place near my house here, right? Here you can have some basic information about the place, right? When was the last modified the domain name? Um, who's done the register ID, the contact name, right? Where is hosted the website? That would be a basic footprinting of the system, right? Um, Footprinting could be as well get information about who's working on the company, right? Sometimes a simple call on the help desk can give you phone numbers, contact numbers, the company location, uh, basic information about the company, right? um, the other step would be scanning, or that would be something much more active. For example, a simple ping, right? You can see the network range here. Uh, route can give you some information as well. There's some more complex tools to do this, but what I'm saying here is the basic steps to get information, right? Um, the last step would be enumerating, right? Would be putting together all the results of this and try to identify as much as you can, like user accounts, shared devices. Again, this is a basic concept how to do this. There's a much more advanced tools to do this. Um, something really important to mention here, when doing a penetration test, it's really important to document every single step and every single finding, um, especially if you're working for the company. It's really important to document every single step, every single finding, because in case you find any vulnerabilities, you have everything on right for the company. Well, I think it's that for now. Thank you, and that's it.